Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.1 and question number 7 today. So let us see what is in the question first. What should be added? So you have to add something. Okay, what should be added to this polynomial to get this polynomial, which means you have to add something to this polynomial. So let us start the solution. You can write your answer from the question itself. What should be added? Which means you have to add something to this. So let us take that as f of x. Okay. F of x should be, read your question now like this. F of x should be added. So you are adding. Added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8. To get means you can put the equal to symbol. To get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay. So now let us read the question one more time. What should be added? So I have rewritten the question in terms of symbols and polynomials. Okay. Let us take the should be added as your answer. So f of x should be added. Okay. Added to this polynomial to get means gives equal to. So this is how you frame your question. Now solve this question. How can we solve this question? Keep your f of x on the left hand side as such. Okay. You have to take all these terms to the right hand side. So let me put the equal to symbol and then write all these elements first, which means 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay, and then now bring each and every term to the other side. So let us first take this my plus 2x cube. So plus 2x cube, if it goes to the other side of the equation, what it becomes? Yes, it becomes minus 2x cube. Okay, so now move this term. This is again plus 6x square. It becomes minus 6x square. And then this term minus 5x. Do you know what it becomes? Yes, it becomes a plus 5x square. The minus becomes plus and the plus becomes minus. Now we got a plus 8 and what you have to put? Minus 8. And I am taking all these polynomial terms to the other side of this equation. So I am changing the symbols. Now let us add or subtract the like terms, which means the same power terms, which is the biggest term here, x cube. So let us start with our x cube. So what and all we have got in x cube? 3x cube minus 2x cube, which means you have to subtract 3 minus 2, right? And you have to write your x cube. So this is your 3 minus 2 x cube. Next step will be you have to consider the x square. So there is a minus 2x square and also a minus 6x square. For safer side, put a plus symbol and then write your minus 2x square symbol and then your minus 6 and put your x square. Got it? So now let us move on to the next term, which is your x plus 6x and also plus 5x. So what you can do is put the plus symbol and write your plus 6x, put 6 only, and for plus 5 put a 5 and your x. Do you understand this? Writing the correct terms together. Now we are left with our constant terms, which is plus 15 and the minus 8. Write it as such. Plus 15 and the minus 8. Hope you understood this step. Let's see this step one more time. It will be like you have to take all the equal power terms together. So what I have done is I have written the equal power terms together in such a way. X cube means x cube I have written and the coefficients I have written it separately. For x square also minus 2 and a minus 6. For x also 6 and a 5. So do write this and let's go on to the next step. The next step will be just simplify this. What is 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is nothing but a 1. So either you can leave that 1 and write it as your x cube. 1x cube is same as x cube, right? Now see here, minus 2 and minus 6, what it will be? Minus of 8. We have got a plus symbol here. Minus and plus becomes minus. So that will be minus 8x square. Okay. Now, here you have got a plus symbol. Here let us check what is there. 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? 11. So here also plus, here also plus. So you can write it as plus 11x. And plus, and we have to check this also. 15 minus 8. So it will be a plus only. What is 15 minus 8? Yes, it is a 6. Okay. So what we have got is, no, 7. Right, sorry. 10 minus 8 is 7. So this is the polynomial, this is the answer. So your answer is x cube minus 8x square plus 11x should be added to this polynomial to make it as this polynomial. So from your question, do frame your first step correctly. So let us recap this first step along one more time. This first step is nothing but read your question. So if you read your question, what you have got is what should be added. So I am taking that what as the f of x, which is our answer, which you have to find it out. So f of x should be added to the polynomial which is over here to get your answer. So hope you understood this. Then you can find your answer. Now you have concluded with your answer. So this is your answer. This should be added to the given question to make get the answer. Hope you understood this. Thanks for watching.